Hey folks, I'm John P. with Texas Metalworks, and today I'm going to show you our mag blocks. Now you're going to look at this and you're like, it's just a hunk of metal, and that's kind of true, but it serves a really important purpose when welding, even though it's not something they'd ever teach you in welding school. So I'm going to show you what's so great about these and give you some good details. All right, so first of all, let's jump right in here. Let's pretend for a moment that we have two pieces of steel and we want to weld them together, like some tubing. Well, if I take these two pieces and I lay them on the table and I clamp them down so they won't move, and let's say I need to weld this joint, what's going to happen is when I take my welding gun and I go like this, I'm going to weld it right into the table. Well, that's not going to be very good for the table or for your joint. So we can take our little mag blocks and we'll drop these down, and now we create some distance between our workpiece and the table. Now each one of our mag blocks is exactly ½ an inch thick. Now we have all of these things machined because here's what's important. Keep in mind that this table is very flat. We don't want to put something on it that makes it less flat. So I'm going to take my very expensive calipers here, and they are zeroed out. And let's see how thick this is. Pretty darn close to ½ an inch. They're also 2 inches by 2 inches. So let's take a look at that. That's pretty darn close. And yeah, pretty close. And just so that we know that's not a trick, here's another one I just randomly grabbed. Yeah, pretty close. Pretty good. So what you know is that when we place the material on one of these, we have exactly ½ an inch. Or if we stack a couple of them, we're going to get a full solid inch. So what I want you to consider is when we put these things together on the table, you spray the table down with some anti-spatter spray. You can then complete a full downhill weld without worrying about welding into the table. And there's not going to be any BBs sticking to the table, because two advantages of having your material elevated. One, if you have dirty material and you have BBs popping off, you've got more time before they hit the surface. And two, when you put some anti-spatter down there, that's going to even further protect the surface. So you can keep all your work just as flat as your tabletop surface by using these little milled magnets, and you can also keep your table, nice and pretty the whole time. One other little thing, just so you know, these magnets, super, super strong. When we drop them down, you have a hard time physically picking it straight up unless you kind of pull from the side. Just to demonstrate here, we can just keep sticking these magnets on one another, and they probably weigh ½ a pound a piece. I mean, they're really beefy. One last little thing, just for grins. We do etch these lines on the tops of our tables, and they are etched in a two inch kind of quadrant, so your little 2-inch squares fit right into them. Not that that's in any way important, but it's just kind of nice. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up, I'm out.